Sip your tea nice and slow. No one ever knows when it's time to go. There will be no time to enjoy the glow. So sip your tea nice and slow. Life is too short but feels pretty long. There is too much to do, so much going wrong. And most of the time you will struggle to be strong. Before it's too late and it's time to go, sip your tea nice and slow. Some friends stay, others go away. Loved ones are cherished, but not all will stay. Kids will grow up and fly away. There is really no saying how things will go. So sip your tea nice and slow. In the end, it's really all about understanding love for this world and in the stars above. Appreciate and value who truly cares. Smile and breathe and let your worries go. So just sip your tea nice and slow.